Welcome to the KG Pharma channel. My name is Ingo Krause and today I bring you some new photo and video material about our bestseller by far, the RoTab T 3.0. In the third version we have more than 100 units out worldwide. The RoTab T is the ideal single layer rotary tablet press for tablet development, for small batch production and for scale up. It's very easy to use. It's a mobile unit, like you see a little bit later. And right now we are going and have a look to the software. And here we go. This is our dashboard, the main screen from which you control the complete machine. You have the overlook about all the functions and status of the machine settings. And let's start here from the left side. Here we have the field for the turret speed. If you push in this field, you get up a pop-up menu, and from here you can choose bigger steps in changing the speed, like from 38, for example, to 20. If you want to do it in a more fine-tuned way, you just use the plus and minus buttons here. Around this ring, you see the numbers which represent the numbers of the stations. So in this case, from 1 to 8, this is an 8-station machine, Euro B. We also have a combi turret and flex adapt systems, but we come to that a little bit later. You can run the machine with just one station occupied if you have very small quantities of product. In the next field, you have the control about the OptiFiller. So it's the same like for the turret speed. If you tap here on this field, you get this pop-up menu and you can change the speed, or you can do it by this plus and minus button. In this field, you're controlling the pre-compression force. The bar graph will show you the actual status of the pre-compression station. You have set values, you have an upper and a lower limit which you can set. And the same applies to the main compression station. So this is the most important parameter for you because you drive the tablet press always by the compression force. On the right side, you have the ejection force for the finished tablet. Also here you can enter a parameter at which the machine can stop or set an alarm when it's exceeded. In the lower section, we have a very important parameter, the filling for your tablet. And here we have the figure of the inbuilt fill cam. In this case, it is a 10 millimeter fill cam. The 10 millimeter fill cam is covering a range from 5 to 10 millimeter. So the 12 millimeter fill cam is covering a range of 8 to 12 millimeter and so on. Here you can set the value of the dosing you like to have for the tablet with a very fine resolution of 0.01 millimeter. In the next field, you see the punch separation. This is a gap between the upper and the lower punch during the tableting process. And here we have the punch separation in the main compression station. This one is setting the hardness of the tablet independent from the tablet weight. All these parameters are controlled by these arrows because these are all very fine-tuned adjustments. On the right side, we have the sorting field. So here you can enter you would like to have a sorting of tablets every 5,000 tablets, or after a certain time, or you just want 20 tablets right now. So it's a very flexible system. Here in the lower left side, we have the auto adjustment of the machine, so auto regulation. We cannot enable it yet because the machine doesn't run. But if you want to see how the machine is running with the product fully automatic, you are going to activate the system. Then we have here our recipe administration. All information belonging to the recipe are here in the fields. So you have some information fields which you have to fill in, like your batch number, like the tablet name, and so on. And then there are fields which parameters coming from the tablet press. And all this can be stored in an unlimited number of entries. On the right side, we have the batch report here under the second button. The batch report summarizes what you have done within the batch, and it shows you the mean value of the main compression, pre-compression, all kind of measuring parameters in the machine. Then we have the graphic menu, which I'll show you a little bit later because here are no values right now. Then we have the service menu. Here you can see the actual status of the machine, tablet shoot and lubrication and other things which are controlled in the machine. Then we have here our optional product level control. So if you activate it, the machine will stop when the product has reached a certain level. And here under this button, this is the under pressure control for the compression compartment. It's another option if you want to control that you're always working in under pressure. Yeah, here's a reset button for the alarm messages which come up during you're using the machine. And this is lights on and lights off. And this is the quick overview about our HMI. Now let's go to the machine and the design of it.